This is a Lenovo 14 ml Core i3 laptop, and this laptop problem is power is not turning on. Let's plug in the charger and check it, but no response. Okay, shut down. MOSFET 20 voltage is okay. Let's open this motherboard and apply the data PC, and let's plug in the charger and check the voltage of the circuit. Okay, this is our charger output voltage here, and here is the 20 voltage is present, and this is our primary MOSFET. Okay, here is the 20 volts also present, and this voltage and this MOSFET will be output 20 voltage, but here is no voltage. And this one is the second MOSFET. This voltage will be output through this MOSFET. Okay, and here is one low value resistance. This 20 volt will be passed through this resistance all over the circuit, and here is a no voltage. But and this is the prime issue, this voltage. Okay, and I need to 20 voltage in this point, but here is no voltage present. Okay, let's see the gate voltage of the MOSFET, but here is a no gate voltage present also. I am show you very closely. And you can understand that. And this is the main charger voltage. Okay, and here is the 20 voltage is present, and this one here is also, and this is the input voltage of MOSFET, and here is a 20 voltage present, but this set has a no voltage. Okay, and secondary, this one is the secondary MOSFET. Here is a no voltage present, and here is a no, and you can see this resistor, and this one is the very low value resistor, and let's see what is the problem and why this voltage is not present here. And this type of problem sometimes occur due to the short circuit, and let's check this the short circuit. Here is any short circuit or not. Open this and hold this positive lead in a ground side and check this point. Yes, this side is short with the ground, and you can see this, and this is the 0.5 ohms value, and this pin is shorted with the ground, and I need to find out this and where from this short and which parts short of this voltage. Okay, as the voltage is main output voltage, and I need to find the all over the circuit. Okay, this capacitor is showing short, and this is not only the capacitor, and here would be another capacitor also showing short, and check this, and this capacitor is okay, this line is okay. Check this line, and this line is showing shorted. I need to find out where is go this line. Okay, this line, no, this capacitor also okay, this capacitor is showing okay, and here is another voltage also okay. Okay, this side also okay. Let's check it from this side. This capacitor okay, this capacitor also okay, and this capacitor is showing short. Short, this one is short, and this one is short, and this one also short. But and you can see this capacitor is burned. Okay, and this capacitor is mainly faulty capacitor, and this capacitor make this circuit short. Okay, and you can see this capacitor very closely, and let's open this capacitor, and after that check the voltage. And you can see this capacitor is problem, faulty capacitor. Yes, this capacitor is short, and that's why the 20 voltage is dropped from the MOSFET output. Okay, for this circuit. Okay, here is a 20 volt, and this one is the MOSFET input voltage. Here is 20 volt present, and this is the MOSFET output voltage. Yes, and here is a 20 volts, and here is also 20 volts. 20 volts is the output. Okay, and due to the capacitor shorted, and this voltage could not be outputted in this circuit, and hopefully this circuit will be work. Okay, let's plug in this and press the power button. See, and you can see cooling pin is spinning. Okay, our laptop circuit is okay. Okay viewers, let's see the display. Customer did not send the hard disk, and due to the hard disk uninstallation, here is a boot device missing or boot failure, and our laptop is okay, and you can see display has come. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.